G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a fantastic townhouse, unit number 33 in the Quarterdecks. Let's go and take a look around. Completed in 2007, the Quarterdecks Retreat comprises a selection of award-winning architecturally designed villas with a contemporary coastal design. This is where peace and privacy meet in the cosmopolitan heart of a tourism and lifestyle property hotspot. Welcome to Hervey Bay. This lovely, low-set villa is positioned in a quiet section of the complex with no through traffic and only one neighbouring property, adding to the sense of space and privacy. Entering the unit, you will immediately note it has been freshly repainted throughout as you are drawn to the vast open plan dining and living area with reverse cycle split system air conditioning overlooking that private courtyard to the rear. The designer galley style kitchen features stunning stone bench tops with loads of storage and a pantry. Quality appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood, an oven and a dishwasher. Stepping outside, you've got a wonderful covered alfresco outdoor entertaining area with your own private courtyard with those lovely established low maintenance gardens and artificial turf. This home does include 2 spacious bedrooms, both with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom has brand new carpet, a ceiling fan and built-in wardrobe and offers direct access to the 2-way bathroom as well as their outside entertaining area. The 2-way bathroom does include a bath, shower and vanity, and there is a separate toilet. The European style laundry is located off to the side of the entry hall. Vehicle accommodation is catered for by a single garage with a remote door and offers direct internal access into the home. Exclusive residence facilities at the Quarterdecks Retreat includes a resort-style swimming pool, spa, sauna and barbecue area. The Quarterdecks Retreat is pet friendly and offers the lifestyle of living in such an idyllic location within walking distance to a dog-friendly beach, the Hervey Bay Boat Club and Marina precinct where you've got a selection of cafes and restaurants to enjoy. You also have the convenience of having essential amenities nearby, including the Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Aldi's, fast food outlets, Botanic Gardens, Esplanade, Bayswater Hotel, cafes, restaurants, beach and the iconic Urangan Pier. Homes like this at the Quarterdecks are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.